Welcome to the Arbitress YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to use grommets and eyelets plier to make holes, to make something like this. Okay, so I'm working with this leather hole punch and grommet setting toolkit. It came with two different pliers. This is for making the hole for punch, and it has different sizes, so you can actually turn it to whichever size you want. So this makes the holes, and this is just for pressing the pins. So it also came with these pins that you can use to for O's generally. So I'm using this for a corset, but you can also use it for bags, for belts, O's, shoe, or whatever you just need to make something like this on. So now between each O's, I want a 1.5 inches gap. So you need to measure that, and once you are where you want it to be, just take your hole puncher and then take it where you want to make your hole. Once you are there, take them together like this and apply pressure on the plier to punch it. Okay, you can see it's going to make the hole there for you. So let's check on the other side. You can see that it already came out on the other side. So our hole is made and is ready. I'm just going to take one of my pins and then insert it where I made the hole. Okay, so this is very simple and it doesn't take time. So you just try to clear the path for the pin to pass through and make sure your pin is entered. Okay, so I have my pin there. So once I have my pin there, I'm going to take the plier. It has two sides. There is a side that has like a hole and there is one that is protruding outside. So the side that is protruding outside is the one you're going to use for the back, and the one that doesn't have any extension here is the one that will be on the front. So you have to get this right, or else you have something like this, it will destroy your pin. So you have to get this right. So I'm just going to place it under it like this and then press this, then I'll apply pressure and press it down. So once you press it down, you can see what it's going to give you, and on the other side is going to be neatly formed. So that is how you use a grommet. You can try another one. Just take your tape rule, measure your 1.5 inches. Once you're there, take your puncher, make your hole, apply pressure is a bit. Okay, so once you apply pressure, I take it inside, it's going to come out on the other side. So once it comes out on the other side like this, you know that your hole is made. Then you take one of your pins like this. Once you take your pin, you put it in the hole that you just made and make sure that it comes out on the other side. So once it comes out on the other side, you take your plier. That's the one for pressing, not the one for making hole this time around. So once you take your plier, the side that is protruding will be the one underneath, and then the smooth one will be on top of it. Then you apply pressure and your pin is pressed. So you can see it on the other side. So that is basically how you make use of highlights and grommet pliers to do pins on your garments. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, so that you get notification anytime we upload a new video. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one. Bye.